I am here in Hampton Heights, which is our community in Edmond, and it is located on 178th between Western and Santa Fe. And today I'm going to take you through this newly completed Arcadia floor plan. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and it is located in a cul-de-sac. The address here is 500 Northwest 177th Street. So come along with me. So here's the front view of this home. Got 2-car garage, a brick on this first level, and then James Hardie siding on the top. We have a great size covered porch with a cedar post. Nice landscaping. And then taking a look at your cul-de-sac here. Let's go check it out. So we got a navy colored front door, which complements the brick really nicely. And then we have a Schlage keyless entry. You come into the open concept living space with the wood look tile throughout. We have a ceiling fan here in the living room. And then we have this space here that is designated as the dining room with the dining room chandelier there. So in this house we have light gray walls and we have accents of the same navy color that is on the front door. And then we have a little bit of stain there with the white trim. Over here is your powder bathroom for the lower level. And your kitchen here. We have the hood vent, sliding gas range. We have white quartz countertops. This is where your fridge would go. And we have a marble looking backsplash. It has a really nice polish to it. What I love about this floor plan is that the kitchen sink overlooks the backyard. So as the dogs or kiddos play back there, you can keep an eye on them. And then we did put the microwave in the island, which I love that feature. Then you have your stairway going upstairs, which we'll get to in a minute, but we have this really awesome pantry storage space that wraps underneath the stairs. So as you can see, it just goes on, which is great. And then here, with all that natural light coming through, is the patio slider. And this one does have a screen on it, so you can keep that open during the day and let the fresh air in. And then you have a patio back here, and actually a really nice, manageable backyard. And then in this space off of the garage, you have a little landing bench there to put your bag, your purse. And then here's the powder bathroom, which is really big. And then we have a cool checkerboard pattern there with your pedestal sink. Let's check out the garage since we're right here. 2-car garage. It's our standard 2 structures garage. If you've seen any of my videos, you've seen the drill. Storm shelter, cutout, electrical box, tankless out here. We have your sprinkler loop also, which is nice, and your Wi-Fi capable garage door opener. Okay, so that's the downstairs. Let's go check up upstairs. Oh, there's a ladder up here. Once you're upstairs, you have a hallway that goes to all the bedrooms and the hall bathroom. And then right up here is your utility room. So it's upstairs with all the bedrooms, which is really convenient. And we did put a window in here, so it just lets in a little bit of sunlight. Here we have a linen closet. And you can see we have your attic access there. We have your hall bathroom here. Primary bathroom, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. To the left is that hall bathroom with tiles surround on the tub and vented to the exterior. Your vanity here, oval undermount sink. This is the chrome Kohler hint fixture, framed mirror, and pretty light fixture. Next, we're going to go into the primary bedroom here, which is a really good size, and we do have 3 windows, so you're getting southern light and western light in here. The ceiling fan, and then over here is the primary bathroom. In here you have the dual vanity, each with their own sink, own mirror, and own light fixture. great countertop space and great storage space underneath that vanity here. And then opposite that is the water closet. And here is the walk-in shower. We have a framed glass door on that, corner shelves. We did put the valve on this side so it's easy to reach in and not get sprayed with water. And then opposite of the shower is the built-in cabinetry here for storage, more storage. And then at the back of this space is the primary closet. So this is a modest sized closet, but it is functional. Lots of organizational opportunities in here. All right, we're gonna leave the primary and we're gonna go over to this front bedroom here. So this is bedroom number 2. Carpet, LED disc light here. We have a walk-in closet, windows overlooking that cul-de-sac of the front yard. Lastly is third bedroom here. It is overlooking the side yard. And it also has its own walk-in closet. Okay friends, so that wraps up the tour of this Arcadia plan. This home is currently for sale in Edmond. It is in the Hampton Heights community. But we do custom build this if you wanted to put this on your own lot and customize the features of it. So if you're interested in either of those options, please give us a call in the description. We have the contact information below. So thanks so much for sticking with me. Have a great day.
Hi, please like, tag, share, and follow. And most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.